Hello everyone, today I would like to demo how to use this LPG gas cylinder that is innovated by our group, which is MindFrame. So the first step is by inserting the valve. So let's say at the initial state, there is a LED indicator around this valve inserter where it will show a red light if the valve is not inserted or not fully locked. So let's say I insert the valve and then I fully lock it, so it will indicate that it will fully lock by showing this LED blue sign. So the next one, if you want to check gas leak detection, we have two different signals that will be given when leak is happening. So the first one is this sensor, which it will receive a signal from this gas supply and receive. So at all times, the gas supply and receive meter must be the same. So let's say it is the gas supply is 50 and the gas receive is 40. So which means that this will trigger this signal and it will make a beeping sound and turn into red. So the next one is, let's say you want to monitor the gas level. So we actually have integrated an ultrasonic sensor inside this model, which will detect this level of gas by measuring the distance in the liquid. So the first indicator is the percentage. So let's say the user doesn't know the actual amount of gas in kilopascal, so they will see this percentage, and then they can also see kilopascal in order to indicate the gas level. So we also provide a visual cue in order to indicate the gas level. So if this LPG has full level, it will indicate that the blue LED, and then let's say if it's at 50 level, it will indicate this yellow color. And the next one, let's say if it is around 25% and below, it will indicate this red LED color. Okay, the next one is we have a rubber coated grip handle. So let's say if the user want to angkat, they will be comfortable because this handle is like the bicycle rubber, so it's easier for them to use. And we also integrated a composite material that is ensured 60% lighter than using a steel, and we have a chrome finish material, so it increase in aesthetic. And then we didn't insert a tire because we actually applied different thing. So if you know about the trolley of a gas cylinder, you have to lift it in order to put it into a trolley. So instead of that, we provide a space for this trolley to be inserted without lifting. So let's say the trolley will just be inserted into this space and just have to cut and just push it without lifting this. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.